this video, I will show you how to dispute on Credit Karma. So if you want to dispute any errors on your TransUnion credit report with Credit Karma, what you can do is you can utilize this direct dispute feature. So I have in here this article that will actually help us with that. So in here, you can just scroll down, and then from in there, you can check your TransUnion and Equifax credit reports for free on Credit Karma. So you can just click onto this link, open it in a new tab, and it will open. So from there, just make sure to sign in using your email address as well as your password. Confirm your identity, and once you have signed in, you should be able to see your credit card reports. So if you spot any errors to those credit reports, you can use the direct dispute tool. So the dispute tool actually looks like this right here. So you can click onto this dispute error option in order to successfully dispute an error. Now, once you're done, make sure to actually require or fill out the re-verifying that of what exactly you're disputing, and the TransUnion will review your dispute within 30 days, and you can also dispute credit report errors directly with Equifax and Experian. You can just click onto this go to Equifax in order to dispute the error that they have made.